Hello guys, today I have the XIAOMI Pad 8 and I'm going to show you how to use the portrait mode split screen on XIAOMI Pad 8. So, to use your portrait split screen mode, the only difference between the horizontal is that you need to just have your tablet oriented vertically. So, at first let me for example open the gallery application, do something like this. And the second thing, the second application may be, for example, the Spotify. So now, when we see something like this, we need to hold the finger on the first application, tap the split screen, and select the second one. Here we have now our photos, and here our Spotify. Goodbye.